Una chetara mgbe Jpac pụtara na connection akụ nwetere n'ugwu Awụsa jere mmanya na ya nwanyere ya hụ. Ma bunu that nothing comes out of that idiot who is eziokwu. That this guy is nothing but a pathological liar. Una chetara mgbe tọrọ people ashina connection akụ jere ge mmanya na n'ugwu Awụsa na ya nwanyere ya hụ. Una chetara ya. Because of that thing cost that young man millions of naira. Knowing fully well that this guy genuinely contacted Akon on his own, with no help, with no source of anybody. But Jpac, being a hypocritical idiot, Onyoshin, we have belly face, 1 naira, 2 naira, no lumari bem, machareno. I'm still nurturing my voice. I will come out and sit down and analyze this video. And I'm not what's going on. I can't see your comments. Nah, mom, no. You have Facebook on a guare me anyhow. The thing they will. I'm not too happy about it. You what I go? Nah, I can't also come here. Nande will block some. Let me hand him in a downtown every day. Just don't understand. I wish I would get another route to be going to work. I'll be so delighted. And I'm who comments, please don't act like I'm ignoring you or you comments. And I'm honestly speaking, I can't see no comments. So I will play the video because the young man, when this rumor we are going on, the young man reached out to me, man. I'm like, what's up? And I did jam-packed. I hardly reach out to a lot of people, but for some reason I got to that message. Okay, let me even finish this one before I jump into how the young man contacted me. I've not spoken to him before, I don't know him, but I don't know that he follows me. What I go? Jpac came out and gave people the narrative that he was the one that connected Akon. Now Akon eku na onyere ihe na owo ya nwa connected Akon. Imona demma ihe na eme, the truth will keep coming out because a lot of people believed that this Onyoshian about Jpac, this where Beleface has anything to contribute in Akon, then Akon lost a lot of money by feeding this Onyago, this where Beleface. You what I go? Now, all channel is his frustration now. Hey, Ken, the same Ken that you don't want Ken to come out. And he's already remaining 30 days that Ken will come out. You a fool. You a fool, like a big time fool. And Indian is shirking a hair. You know, we are waiting for you. Iga dabarela. Apa yem no ni me apa the game that I'm inside it. Okay, kwa mani iya na shirigi na he jiwayo and dog arrive very soon. You what I go? I show you onye ekpete no take pere. You what I go? Look at this cheap. I don't want to criticize onye mwanya o, but the biggest mistake we may gina that ex-convict allow una na patronize mmanya. Or the biggest mistake on your to allow these two criminals, this low life nobody when he have after to join on other ones will pick the dream. Well, the name of a goal on your own, nobody call 100,000, 1 million, we win 1 naira or 2 naira. Just that ambassador tag, because you know that I am money. The two of you are not productive. Una bo ex-convict na this nkana bo and Jpac. You guys are not productive on anything. What I go? You guys are not creative in anything. You know Basaronu zero. Everything Basaronu will disgrace, a curse. Anything no battery me una damage here. You want to look at other content creators that are doing better. I don't know how they jam-packed Omato. It's yegina Jpac na manya. Oh, can destroy ya? That's a mania. Very useless. Two useless people. And you what I go? Dead people carry a hand. When anything but carry a hand that will pave way. Jerry ex-convict, I'm coming this week. I have to schedule when I'm gonna be a Kagia because I don't want to be distracted by your bullshit. You what I go? I gotta make a schedule days in Ghana a week. You may want to put now what people the time I'm gonna Kagia. You are an idiot. You don't have anything creative to offer to this generation. That's all you are good at. Nothing more, nothing else. Ndala. Comment, oh. I'm not seeing comments. Please share this. I'm not seeing comments for some reason. Facebook is benching me on the through the. I don't know. And my husband is not around now. Oh, my tech. Oh. Nah, I'm not comment. Oh. I'm not see you in a comment. So you guys should not be angry. So now, this are fun one. The young man reached out to me because I'm how close I am with Taco. Because actually, when you pass information through me, it's must. You're going to at his own free time. So he reached out to me for some reason. I'm also sending a message for couples of days. Man, you know, sometimes I want to free my WhatsApp. So I was going through the thing, man who message here. Then I reached out to him. Man, where she he may leave a child voice note to make a child. I have to forward it to her. I go na para. She okay. Now because you're about that Jpac. Now man on your own. She never told anything to do with this guy. Now they put so again. You know, Masha, cool down. This guy, she don't want any business because guys, now with the video letter. Nebe Jpac in a kunoya when you're a connection. You feel me? This guy and I Jpac, that's a useless thing and I Jpac. That's good of nothing where belly face. Mama Pariokoria or Pachana one, but these are two useless people at the same time. I don't know. So the guy reached out to me, I reached out to him. I could calm down. Richard, I go him back. Now business here me where can these two persons sectional. No, young one. This guy reached out to me privately without even Jpac connection. Imagine an insult. Masha, I could cool down and listen to this young man. I could refuse. So man, I persuaded for a long time before I could calm down and listen to this guy. The guy has with all honesty. He ain't no corona video now. Anyway, listen to the video. Jpac is a criminal, a pound one for that matter. Oh no, shit. Where belly face, where you will grab 1 naira and destroy. And when in these things you've been jumping from 1 to Z, from 1 to Z. And when now you get and when on your feet get a chance gondoka. You was busy eating that gondoka, but you did not realize that always gondoka at that time. You didn't realize it. Work each other in always gondoka. Jpac. Jeremiah Pelelunu the video. Where this guy debunked everything because somebody somebody introduced you to this business. You've been doing it, you've been successful. Somebody millions of naira you could have grabbed for how many months? Because of getting clear more. Jpac connection. I am in our connecting matter, but your life is bent on 1 naira, 2 naira. Very useless. It's a man of no integrity whatsoever. No integrity in your life whatsoever. Guys, I'm not seeing comments yet though, because you know maybe let see. I will watch it through another phone. Now let me play the video the young man sent to me. Nah, the thing about the guy around. Wait. Now I can distribute to Manya. No, I will say it has nothing to do with the Jpac. Or you are connected here with Taco. Has nothing to do with this low life stinking human being. He's my brother. I'm not gonna come here to know Jpac is my brother. I am not disputing that. So, but that doesn't mean that I will not tell him the truth. That he should be a responsible man. Any man all that messed up, especially Igbo man, only make me irritate. I detest anything that has to do with the irresponsible Igbo men. I detest them. Any Igbo man that don't want to be responsible, I detest them with every single fiber in me. They are very useless. Because I don't care. A man is supposed to be a very responsible, productive individual. And because of 1 naira Facebook. Okay, let's assume Facebook is nice, no longer feeding all of you. because I was listening to Koboko, because Koboko is my person. I was listening to him. He said something that Facebook page monetize again. 1 year, so if Facebook finally say that they're no longer paying, how can you guys survive? How can you guys survive? So why would I talk to you guys like with a brain? Eh? I'm gonna show no tough love. Because it's so painful when you see a man. This is a period every month. You want to go? Let me play the video so you guys will watch it. Sure? Like I said, that ex-convict day. She somehow was busy praising you that he win an election. Well, what do they know? When they school, all these people now, when they catch in the school, they don't know their left and right. So in their entire dream, or even if they're dreaming, they think you win an election. You are just a chairman on a Facebook. You are just a Facebook chairman, and let them keep acknowledging Facebook chairman. That is what you are. Facebook chairman is what you are, and that's what you will remain. Alakaraja, let other people. Alakaraja, but what it or come, let other people. Share random video. Don't watch my video and watch it without no sharing. Share it. Jpac, wait, let me play that video of that young man. Share the hand. Look at the guy.
Good evening, everybody.
Let me connect here to my listening. Let me listen. I connect it. Wait.
Good afternoon, depending on your location where you are watching me. I want to say I'm going to Mobicon, only what a video no. Kabana, Matromaka and share button.
What is going on? No, because what is the problem? Because play now. Go on. Children, because now this my children. No, wait. Since I'm keeping quiet since all this while. Abache Mankete. Master, I'm swearing Igbo. Now I'm on Igbo. I will on Hausa. I'm swearing Igbo. I'm wearing Lumanaga since. And the Mbachi Mankete. Now the Traditionen is open. Jpac. Because I'm a money war. Okay. And the man on number. Okay. Everything on social media. Okay. And I know you are my friend. I just never want to know Alana. It's in a more way a friend. Okay. Now I'm going to get information Basala Kosayo. Okay. Jpac, I never one day called you on phone, get information Basala Kosayo. Okay. And I'm going to contact Kosayo. Point of collection. I beg you to car. I'm going to tell him contact Kosayo through his page. Don't worry, this week I get my map on my schedule because all the Kabbalah moon gets it too much. I'm gonna map out my schedule how to each time game my program. I need to put down my schedule. You want to go? Not chop on my voice because without my voice I can't function. You want to go? I can put up the schedule. Bien narrate here. Whatala Benny Kumbemgaron can map the clotted. My happy very confused when it comes to running program, when to dialect, when to do this, when to do that. You want to go? Make with listen to them. In the more putara, no you want a connection, not no ego. Nayano, I will tell you. Unushi say Jpac, na person we don't know you. I saw that you posted Ken. I begin to laugh. Is this not the same person? Mona yana kuyana more cocaine inside phone call. Nah, Ken apata. You chose to finish his here the remaining 4 years. I wanna talk that guy baron you. I wanna talk that young man pota focus. Una chore na bata ko so no ne susu here. Kalafia end this year like Udela. I can't apart easily. Oh. I could not they forgive easily. That's one thing you should understand. Yeah, papa niya. Ko putaji wan yo gabena ko apology. Move on. What you call she help where? But when you guys keep pushing him to come and consider with this rubbish, the second journey anakwa easy. The first one God that just say give warning. Enyeru de la warning. Mboshiri Istanbul lota. He did not see the handwriting written boldly. He didn't see it. He continued. God enye along rope. Udela did not listen until he met his match. Where is Udela now? He is battling to even survive. As I'm talking to you now. Laws won't in Nigeria. Laws is that when you don't know somebody, you don't have money. But when you have money, laws in rubbish. People are saying fundamental rights. Which for only fundamental rights when it comes to Nigerian rules and regulations. I am the very dark, useless man. Chineke. Yeah, jam kote. Well, very jam kote la jam kote. He's go. Him my people can nana. He's going in for it. Make una wage. Onabia. The game is about to luolu dum dum. There is no law. Law is meant for the poor. Na Nigeria. Law is meant for Ndi Igbo that you depend on the law. Is a Chineke. No nga huchewa engre fundamental rights. Maybe lagi. Obabi lagi. Believe it or you don't believe it. Ashionye onya lulu kowala ya egeji lonne ya furu okporo ndala. Wait.
Because here my work, I'm a and a distributor. I don't know now. This is not Nigeria now. I'm 19 states, no Uguaosa, Abachagum Hanchanini, Bama Niger. Maku Cameroon self, just small border with Cameroon. Omulo NLM Uguaosa, Mamalo, Jamie Mono. The Mono name on to say I am my na not. The bomb na phone, agent number, agent contact in the You produce cham my truck and my guy. If you put them Megalega, come on and
sorry, how do you network? Network upoya but this all the network make on no verse. Okay, Jesus. Especially my this kind of
they insult you. I don't bad mad. What do you hear? I can't work and Pariago. Come and bag on get what you won't get. I just never already send them muddy. Now I'm going to contact OGM business. Yeah, contact OGM business. So see him Melona. Agent number. West Icon, I won on January. West I want to have their program. Now, 10. This year, February 24.
Okay.
I was calling you.
This thing I jam Muslim now.
And I don't know. Naturally, me check. But some of the products, you wear some much elegant airports. That PK, Kepaja maybe Akology. I don't want to call the place. So, Tish Baja Monaka. I am Monaka, no child day. On no one I go knock on no wa. What that day? I was a Monaco. We're in a Jevinic restaurant in Awusi 2.
On your in a Jevinic restaurant before with attack. And when I go get Japu body, forgot the to him away your maggie free food. And you get free food to go. Get who go with free food. Free food do wear belly face. This music, sorry, this drink indoors. Eh? You be pon you. Bomb onyashi bomb. Yeah, really free. I am not for Jito. You free food. Free food. And when baggage I say Jpac or Jpac mention one person you have paid for their food before. A polar man who got came issue potowa. A polar brogi. I got progo body. Everywhere the person go pay for your food. And I put on them matter only. Obon your so game simple. That's because you're on my part here. If I continue, everyone no long. Eh? If body your so game simple. Don't leave you go body. Opo. Don't leave you go body. Sorry. Can't you pay? Mba, akoko.
Eba ka muna gana bono. Nocha. Airicha ni akoza mbo ya kologo. Enaba. Nne ka ngwa ya puta. Zolobita puta. Zolobita puta. Aka bolo muna fo. Mana ma afia. Mfuro aka no Port Harcourt no laba. Amala mbo ji bia Abuja. No na for me right up purpose. Lo no na bia my side. On a beside nne more plate na Abuja. We boy na phone. We so mo bia ba ga meet here. Ndiko eba. Luckily for me, ndo mmadụ gbakwala m aka ebe. Why na onye emenwu anywhere the link. Which by special grace of God can deliver am ga nwere ike imenwu enye me the link and you go well. Now emecha ngwa gị sị na ekpọ m na phone sị na akụrụ bịara Abuja na anyị push them my not knowing na go na akụmenwe okwu amara m no no God damn me witness ọ gụwa Jpac gwara m sị m na o nwere obere issue gị ya nwee sị go bịa na m ya edozi nwere ọnụ awazị m ụmụazị na ịtọrọ m ọtọ akụnwe I'm not a small boy ana m edozi nwere ndị okenye mfe iro na m edozi nwere not knowing no ye bute okwu mecha na mgbede ekpoba m ngwa akụ n'elu akụsị na ya chọrọ ifu aka na ya dara na mma. That is why in Attire at that time. Since that day ina the next thing I was on no akakpọ m na phone na mụ na-enye go information gbasara way about na esi na mụ na-enye go information gbasara the way about of na ọ gụnyere ka contact Ogechi Abuja and Kaduna. Jpac abong na phone kwa geba ije.
Okay.
Abong na phone kwa geba ije. Ihe nwe dia wo Abuja. O we kebra dia ibia na that hotel. Enwe mi ka wona ngwa enwe ka singa agwa nga ai nwere ike ije Kaduna which mama gara Kaduna ka aga. Now the thing ebute zero milo na afofo ntara nje obi ọcha m wee me. Ibuluzie m ebe ọ na iru
share this video and I'm then I watch him.
Good evening, everybody. Good morning, good evening.
You see this man and about Jpac. You see this man and this ex-convict. Ex-convict, I want to play rubbish in a play on social media. Let's watch ex-convict and his cheap fake campaign. Let's watch him. I watch Aya. Just I don't know why you don't want to accept that you're a failure. Caucasian is all or something before. I don't want to, you know, I don't have a problem of people like all your fellow content creators are trying to help you. I don't have a problem with them, but it's quite unfortunate they are in the mess. I don't have a problem with them, of course. And I many here a brother have feel that only way brother, but they are making mistake. You cannot align with a ex-convict. You cannot align with what Onyana Kanike need promote you. That means you are in support of Aro. That is the game. You want to go? I don't have a problem with you guys trying to help him, but my own thing, uno ga put on the saga maba. You want to go? Uno ga put on the ngongom netia because I'm going to know no we ex-convicts. No way damage to our society. I mean what I'm saying. So when problem of uno na put to go and promote because so here name at least uno southeast content creator. Uno get united to support, but when you support Aro, ga put on Aro saga. That is the game. And one problem with Una, you guys are doing to support a brother, which is okay. There's nothing wrong with that. But Onya we escon. And we born aga. Go and write it down. And some illiterate shower bagidana shower this single mother saying when and Honda a man. All these hopeless women. And who happen that is now taking order from anybody every minute in a club. They are wasting their remaining 1% for our for the Canada. Only Malaysia baga pona rule Canada. Take a bleaching table. When you see a prostitute, you don't need to be told. That is why I want you to follow me on my other page. We must keep exposing them. That is why we are here. The truth, somebody must swallow the truth. Everybody must not be in one lane. And when you got to stand there, which is me. I cannot be aligned with the Nde Gishamba Hankete, Kahana spoil, Jikayamata, a woman. No, my mission and my journey is keep exposing them. And I'm short time, but so guys, I may take these few minutes to mayhem name. I don't have much time. Now, let me play the video about the American rubbish campaign. You are done. You are on this Facebook chairman. You go nowhere, which you know very well. And where be naga? APC is for APC with chairman in the Ongobala. So you put the oh people get small money. Because you a beggar, you a hungry idiot. APC APC has taken over. So you know stop deceiving the gullible ones and you win. I don't make better out. That's just school push no work. Please explain to them that you are here to get to the promised land. There you go nowhere. And where be Naka? A future convicts and his a future and the end. Who told you that you have anything to contribute in the society? Or give you watch a trauma. Are you not? You know, a useless ESCOM. Let play when much time to dialogue and say rubbish, you idiot or the kage. When you want a life. And I query. That's nonsense. And I put a na corrigan, you will need negi. You will not ship negi corrigan. Kebe, that's your national show governor again. And I query. Get that rubbish commercial unumene. Iti. Be which an homage I can ike. Can I say in a query? Come on, look where I might be a play room here. The way behind the by the special grace of God, I am not the chairman, as you can see, I'm from Imo State, but I'm a friend to Governor Ezioku. Ezioku 2024, Youth in Power, eradicate poverty. I'm not the chairman, but I'm you mean eradicate? You mean eradicate ex-convict for you go Makakanike? You should have said it the way it is. Eradicate a man who is busy. That is the eradication we need. Nothing else. We're going to eradicate that shower. Now, when you 2 years, I can do commercial where is where please and acknowledge. I'm not going to about some money. It's okay. Okay. This chairmanship. Okay. You are more better. You are more presentable than that Tona. Okongudibia should be elected to be a chairman of Ngobal. Despite that he's not from Ngobal. Because he's good. Listen to my champ. Okongu, I love you, my brother. And His Excellency to upcoming chairman of Ngobal. I'm not a chairman. I'm a friend and a supporter to Honorable Prince Madabuchi, the incoming chairman Ngobala local government. And I call you for PDP. And I call you. I'm not the chairman. I was the chairman. I'm not the chairman, but the chairman. Biastibo. I like Brogaru Kimbo. Skibo, you are my man. So I have a problem with you. Tibo, my brother. Onye tirigi nime disgrace. Now because I never time we became when we shut out. Skibo, onye tirigi nime. My person and where him again. One is my very good friend, a very good friend. I'm a friend to the chairman. Because they're here. Young man is not going to get friend. Young man is not there. Are you in support of that? Are you in support of that? Are you in support of a man who is busy? Are you in support of such impurity? I know you don't support such thing. So I just like I made this commercial all the way me way. That one is Zoku. But Zoku. I'm not the chairman. Who is this one? Who is this one? I have not seen him before. Who is he? But anyway, how about Kolunu? Because I know he has no money to pay. I know he has nothing. Shishi. I know Yanakba. Aku was the one feeding him. Aku was the one begging. Even 50,000. Yana begging. A wretched idiot to feel that is the only way for you to go. Question imagine a boom bongo. Go boom bongo can survive war. Camera you would decay. You are nothing but a local village hungry bastard. Onye ke na acho ndeka gemma. Ina achi ndeka gemma. Iwo nyara. Na koyeri.
I'm a chairman to the chairman, but I'm not a chairman. Chineka Bobo PGP. Never we ban.
PDP always surviving party. PDP always surviving. Why would you deceive us? Even PDP will go to a good party because of this ex-convict John. Not damage PDP. PDP cannot remain the same. Because all damage PDP nwere. Ndị PDP on arega majakanike. Ndị PDP on go we ex-convict on aganga renyo majakanike. So why would he tell us? Why would he encourage you to go and do that? It was the our this thing now. It's not gonna work. They're not going.
Makonya wonye zoku and nenzoku stand.
Don't deceive yourself. You a failure from birth. Your destiny is to fail. Look at him and go up. He's supposed to rule the chair coordinator. Anytime you're reaching promised land, you can never make it in life. You are bent on failure. And when you're being you're a failure and you continue to be one. So anybody that joining your crew, they are all failures. I don't have a problem with them because they are trying to support you. They promise that can never be possible. They just want to come there and cheer you up and support you. You are a failure. Nowhere, no paved way. You are a failure. Because number one, you cannot be busy. Anybody that's supporting you are what they... Well, I'm not going to say everybody because they don't know who you are. That is my mission to stay here. To review your atrocity. We can... You're not even... It's over with you. You are not winning Shechem. APC all the way. APC all the way. APC all the way. Chairman of Imo State is APC. He's already... I'm going to phone call. He's gone and buried. Stop wasting your destiny. Where can go break your heart every minute. The woman again he break her heart. He break her heart here. Every time he able to get the lady one in Ishi. You are a failure. A man who won't stand. A man who galeba. Guys, I gotta go to work. Like I said, I have to. I mean, you know my schedule. Bikono, get ready for the mockery because I will mock you because I know you are gonna fail. Get ready, I pop champagne. That damn I will get manyanishi. You a failure. I don't need to wait until a man announce I'm gonna go to my man and go. And on your cable. That's APC man, but my brother, don't worry. I'm gonna bag the truth. On your one go majakanike. You know anything up past no failure call. Not support you on a dark. Guys, I gotta go. My time is up. See you guys. Please thank my husband for giving me $1,000 watch 2 days ago. Other easy. You know, when you actually Diketon came in, Dr. Gochuku, you remain loved. You bought me GLE 2024, GLC 2024. The easy. I don't know these one, and you're about to bless us with another massive mansion, no Buddha. Okay, also what else do I want? What else do I want? I show my own name so more. When you marry to a man, you be loyal, you be respected as a married woman. And then when I'm live video, with him, okay, are you married? No. Follow me, when I get on the same soon now. And I made you fake hair. And I made bleaching. Have you ever seen me come out and fake who I am not? This is me. Have you ever seen me in my color green, black and white? No, because this is me. Real. I am undiluted truth. After all, I'm when I'm able to however you want it, we digger it. Ex-convict, you're not gonna win, you're a failure. Guys, on that note, I don't know who is watching me. I don't know who. Please, if you're following me, you can screenshot and tell me. Before I turn off this video, you can screenshot and tell me who are watching me. I don't know what is happening to this blue app. I'm out for one that I'm watching. See you on that note.